kita lagi ada acara apa sih?
Ini kita lagi ada di acara Bogor Cup Championship Vol 4.
Tapi kita nggak tersesat kan? Tempatnya gede banget loh.
Enggak dong, ini kan di GYMNASIUM IPB Drama.
Imagine if I would've quit, I'd be like all of you broke boys, and I know this like that I live. Yeah, you know I deserve. Cause you said I wouldn't be shit. I used to be in my head, my spirit is dead, now my life is lit. Look at me, ball. Imagine if we didn't split. An unfaithful girl dragging me down, she would've been rich. Nah, ain't no fucking way. You betrayed me, so I did. On the better things, ain't no wedding rings, I'm single again. Single again, ready to thrive. Yeah.
Pokoknya main bola aja dulu, passing 1-2 udah, jangan dulu nyerang.
I trust I won't, and no deciding. I ain't wait for shit, I go. That talk is silent. I thought my pain would make me weak, and I Jack Reacher. I want my peaches down in Georgia, like Justin Bieber. If it's coming from the source, don't need all that sweetener. Did it on my own.